Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with me. I'm Maria.
And I'm Leonardo. Hey Maria, how's your day going so far?
Honestly, it's been so busy. I woke up late and I had to rush to get everything ready.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. What time did you wake up?
Like 8:30. I usually wake up at 7, so I had to hurry up big time.
Same thing happened to me yesterday. I hit the snooze button like 5 times.
5 times? Wow, you really don't like mornings, do you?
Not at all. But once I have my coffee, I finally wake up properly.
That's so true for me too. Anyway, today's topic is perfect for days like this. Everyday English conversations. Things we actually say every single day.
I love this topic. It's so useful because, honestly, daily life is full of small talk, right? Like at the grocery store or with coworkers.
Exactly. Speaking of coworkers, guess what happened at work yesterday?
What happened?
My coworker asked me to cover for her because she was sick, so I had double the work.
Oh, that's rough. Did you manage okay?
Barely. I was so tired by the end of the day. I just wanted to crash on the couch.
I know that feeling. After a long day, I usually just want to chill out and watch something on TV.
Same here. Oh, and by the way, did you hear back from that job interview you had last week?
Actually, yes. They called me yesterday. I got the job.
What? Leonardo, that's amazing! Congratulations!
Thank you. I was so nervous waiting for their answer, but it worked out great.
See? Good things come to those who wait. We should celebrate.
Definitely. Maybe this weekend we can grab a coffee and catch up properly.
I'd love that. Okay, before we keep chatting all day, let's break down some of the expressions we just used, because they're super useful for daily conversations. All right, first one. Hurry up. This means to do something quickly because you don't have much time.
Right, like I had to hurry up because I woke up late. Simple, but we use it all the time.
Next, cover for someone. This means doing someone else's work or job because they can't do it.
For example, I covered for my coworker because she was sick. Very common at work.
Then we have crash, which means to fall asleep very suddenly, usually because you're extremely tired.
Like, I was so tired, I just wanted to crash on the couch. I do that all the time.
Next is chill out. This means to relax and calm down after being busy or stressed.
Yes, after work, I like to chill out and watch TV. Perfect for evenings.
And finally, catch up, which means to talk with someone and share news, especially if you haven't seen them in a while.
Like our coffee plan. Let's catch up this weekend. Great expression for friends.
These 5 expressions are things native speakers use constantly, so try to remember them. Now, let's improve some basic sentences learners often say. First one, I am very tired.
A more natural way to say it is, I'm exhausted, or I'm wiped out. It sounds more expressive and native-like.
Nice. Second sentence, I will call you later.
Native speakers often say, I'll give you a call later. It's more casual and common in everyday speech.
Perfect example. Last one, I don't know what to do.
A smoother way to say this is, I'm not sure what to do, or I'm a bit lost right now. It sounds softer and more natural.
These small changes make a huge difference in how natural you sound.
Totally agree. Small upgrades, big results.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode.
Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments using one of today's expressions. Hurry up, cover for, crash, chill out, or catch up.
We'd love to see your sentences. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye!